How to apply for Zip Oyster card 11 to 15. First, you gotta check eligibility. You must be aged 11 to 15 and live in London for free travel on buses and trams. If you live outside of London, you can still apply but won't get free travel on buses and trams, only discounted fares on other transport modes. Prepare the required documents. You wanna prepare proof of age, for example, a birth certificate or passport, and a recent cover photo, passport style photo of the child. Apply online. You wanna go to the Transport for London website and then 11 to 15 Zip Oyster photo card application. You will click on apply for an 11-15 Zip Oyster photo card. Sign into your TfL account or create one if you don't already have an account and complete the application form. You will upload the necessary documents, proof of age, and a photo. Pay the fee. There is a £20 fee, administration fee for the card, which you can pay online during the application process. Receive the card. Once the application is submitted, TfL will review it. The Zip Oyster card will be delivered to your address within 1 to 2 weeks after approval. Alternative application methods: you can also apply via post by downloading the form from the TfL website, but online applications are faster. Benefits: free travel on London buses and trams, discounted fares on the Tube, DLR, London Overground, and some national rail services. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.